Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. From the very beginning, when I started this channel, I had a vision that eventually people would watch and that there might be people that would comment and offer me information, and all of that has happened. I am so pleased the way this community has formed and how much that I gain from having this channel. I say that quite often because it's true. This community here is a great benefit to me, and I hope it's a great benefit to you as well. Now, from the beginning, I've always stayed away from shirts, hats, coffee mugs, Patreon. I've stayed away from that because I never felt like that was the direction I wanted to go. But what has happened recently is many people have said, hey, are you going to come out with shirts? I mean, more than just a couple people. I've had several requests of people say, hey, come out with some shirts. We're interested in that. At that same time, a company called Bonfire contacted me and said, hey, are you interested in coming up with a logo or two for shirts? And so I thought about it, and I decided maybe I will go forth with this because I've had quite a few requests. Now, you see me wearing this shirt here. This is not it. This was the original design. I put it out on Instagram. Many people said this part here that says the firearm guy is too busy. It's hard to read. So we went all block red lettering, and I think it looks a lot better. There's also another design. I need to thank many of the people who sent me logos and ideas and suggestions, and there was one that came across that was really nice. It says TFG with some real cool lettering and the firearm guy underneath. That will be a lapel print. Those are the two shirts that are available, and I'm pretty happy with them. I think they look cool. I think they represent the firearm guy, not me, because the firearm guy from the very beginning was a name that I chose that encompasses everybody. I'm the firearm guy. You're the firearm guy. You know, somebody who loves firearms, who values protection, who is an enthusiast, who digs all different kinds of firearms, not just so myopic into one particular brand. That's the firearm guy. That's the people who watch this channel. It encompasses all of us. It's not just me, because without you, there is no me. And I clearly recognize that. So I had these shirts made up. If you're interested, the link is in the description box below, and they are priced at $20, actually $19.99. But they typically sell their shirts between $23 and $26. They said, is that cool? I said, no, it has to be lower than that. So we agreed on $20 per shirt. There are a couple different colors, a couple different designs. I've got them both up here, and I'm pretty happy with it. So if it's something that you're interested in, check it out. You know, there are t-shirts, hoodies, a couple other things in there, and you know, those are available. If not, I completely understand. We're going to run this for 2 weeks and see how it goes. If there's a lot of people interested in this, then we can always go longer or come up with different designs. We already have a couple on the back burner to use for the future. So we'll see what happens. They're available if you are interested. Click on that description box below. Check out the designs and see if you're interested. If so, go ahead and pick up a shirt because you are the firearm guy. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.